with Kid Slime. Let's get to the video. Here's the slime me and my dad made. We might put some glitter in it. That was my dad's stuff. And we put some glitter in the bowl first. Then we put some of chemicals in.
Borax.
Then we just put some chemicals, borax. Then we mix them all up, but one by little. Then if you keep stirring that, it makes slime. I even have some more with googly eyes, but it's sticking to me. You can make your own at home, but you just have to get the stuff. And I'll show you with the googly eyes. They're a bit silly. Does that look silly? So you get them off. Yeah, silly. Yeah. Now, if it goes onto a white table, it doesn't matter, you can clean it. But we have a white table here. But next time you can make your own. You can make 3, 4, 2 like us. We can make lots. I know you can see some dots, but it's just glitter. Glitter gets a bit messy, so we did it in a bowl. So now I'm going to pull some apart. How do you break this apart? Now, when it's all apart, you get it into your hands. If it's a bit sticky, put some water on if it's right. But I'm not, so I get the slime into my hand, put it on the slime again, and do this, and put it all over my messy hands. When you're done doing that, you can just pull it up like that. See how it's falling down? You can do your own. But mine's a bit sticky now. So, and when you're all done with playing it, it looks something like this, but it looks a bit sparkly. Watch. And when you're done doing that, you can fold it up like a big sandwich made of slime. Yeah, sticking to me. Now, we need a bowl. It's over there. We break a piece up. And when you're done doing that, we put it in the bowl. But if it doesn't fit, you can just get another bowl. It's a bit messy though. You have to have an adult with you so you don't change the things like a boy in the story. So, hit the button down below and watch more of my videos. But I don't really have lots of videos. I did one a while ago, but it was a bit come true like wish. But everyone watched it. So did I. So now we got another breaked up slime. Put it into the bowl. And when you're done with all that slime, get some more and put it in. Okay, this is the slime we have to put in. It's dotting slime, but I call it farting slime. But it's a bit funny. My dad always is funny. It's not a good dent. When you're done putting the slime in, you can do something. Let it settle a bit so it gets in and settles into its container. But if it doesn't fit, just get another one. Dad, can you get another one, please? Bye, everybody.